Hello, welcome to the Shepherd platform. We're going to do a quick overview of everything. As you can see, we have case managers, where we have a list of case managers. You can go in and edit and view. If we go to create a case manager, it's very simple. First name, last name, phone number, email. We'll go to third parties. We don't have any third parties right now, but they're very simple. Third parties are for victims of violent crimes. As you can see, our clients are listed throughout. If you click on a client to view, you can see the address, gender, weight, height, start date, end date, and then case number and Unicus ID and Shepherd System ID number. Case managers, third parties associated with the client, current location in the last 24 hours. For past 24 hours, we'll have to go to reports and create reports for locations. Here, as you can see, you can do a location list for the last however long, and it populates the location of where the person has been, background location, and check-in location. Alright, and then we're going to create a client. So creating a client is quite simple. You have first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, and then we're going to go to the gender, male, female, or other, weight and height, and we'll go down, and this is where your citation number is and your case number. So with the citation number, you have to keep it exact when you go in to enroll somebody. So whatever you type in the case number. Whatever you type into the case number has to be exactly on the individual screen for enrollment. So we'll do probation starts on such and such date, such and such year, and then we'll go and do end date for however long, whether it's a year, 2 days, 4 days, 30 days, and we hit create. So what we get when we hit create is a QR code. So this QR code is what links the individual device, whether it's a phone, wearable, tablet. This links that device app to our system. This is the Shepherd System app. So with this, we're going to create our account. And we have to enable location. It's letting us know that it's collecting our location even if the app is not app is closed and or not in use. Hit OK. Allow to take pictures. Allow access to location. And we get to take a picture. So we have to line our face up. Once we align our face up, and we'll get this take photo populated. Take the photo. Continue. Waiting for it to collect our location and process and register. Alright, contain the main menu, allow. We're allowing the heart rate sensor in our wearables. This shows what version we're on production site, and we have a Unicus ID number. Alright, new registration. Now we have to register the device for the person, so we hit agree. And we scan that QR code that you saw populate when we created the client. Alright, citation number. It was capital. Oh, this one. 911TA6, exact capital or lowercase, as I stated earlier. Now we're waiting for it to process and link. Alright, it's done, and we are now registered. This takes us back to the platform. We're going to go back to the platform. We'll refresh the screen. As you can see, we took a picture, all the information. Let's see, so we can add a case manager. We have to add case managers in order to do geofences and ad hoc verifications. So we're going to create a geofence. So we're going to type in the address. For this purpose, we're using our office. Name it work, notify of entry and exit. And we can zoom in, zoom out, make that bigger. We can make it smaller, make it wherever size we want. For purposes of quick and easy, it is round. Custom geofences take up a lot of space and a lot of data, so they are slow and usually don't work as quickly. Alright, so we're going to create one for home once again, and we can create as many of these as we can imagine or come up with. We can make them the size of cities or the size of 50 meters. I think we can go all the way down to 5 or 10 meters. Alright, for this purpose, I kind of want to encompass my house. And then we're going to save it. Alright, so ad hoc verification, we can send custom messages to the app. So what will happen is we type in a message for the client, and the case managers can do this, of course. You can type in a custom message. So this one says drug test on such and such date, such and such time. So what happens is we'll hit trigger verification, and it'll send it to the device, and you'll get a notification. So as you can see, it's pending. And so what we're doing now is we're going to open it in the device. Alright, so as you can see, when I refresh it, it was successful, which means that the device got it, the device accepted it, they verified it through their facial recognition, and now the case manager knows that they successfully received the message, and there is no reason for them not to be able to show it, or at least not to make an excuse of they didn't get it or didn't know. And as you can see, it's already starting. Now location history can go for every couple seconds to any 30 seconds, every 2 minutes. It's customizable, and we are working on profiles for individuals. Alright, so as you can see, this is a test ad verification. It was test 1, 2, 3. Facial recognition. This verification requires your location. Please wait while we get your current location. And so it's collecting my location and my facial recognition to say that I am who I am and that I received this. There we go. Test 1, 2, 3. I got it. Can't say that I didn't get the test one. And that is pretty much everything. As you can see, view log, there was the court date that I put on. Another test advert. And every time you verify, it takes your picture and it takes your location. Now, if you do not check in, when you get random check-ins, you get about 15 minutes. If you don't check in, an alert will be sent to your case manager. That concludes the demo for the Shepherd system and the Shepherd application by Unicus ID. If you have any questions, now is the time to ask, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.